Hey guys, it's CJ of Yugatech, and in this video, we'll be delving into this tablet. It's the Realme Pad 2, and we're gonna figure out what's up with it on this hands-on review. Let's roll that OBB. Let's talk about the design. The Realme Pad 2 comes in a metallic finish. It also has a splice design as stated by Realme, which has a glitter sand effect texture on top. This linear design glows depending on the environment's lighting and is proportional to the camera island. It's impressively thin and lightweight, which I found incredibly convenient to bring anywhere. The camera house is different from its previous pad. The Realme Pad 2 has the island in a round housing with two lenses, which we'll take a closer look later. The Pad 2 comes in two colorways, Imagination Gray and Inspiration Green, which is what you see here in my hand. Moving on to I/Os in horizontal orientation, it features Dolby Atmos quad speakers, two from both the right and the left side of this device. The volume rockers on the top of the tablet, while the power buttons on the upper left corner of the device. The USB Type-C port is located on the right side, placed between the speakers. And finally, the SIM card slot is placed on the bottom side of the Pad 2. The Realme Pad 2 shows off an 11.5-inch IPS LCD display that features up to 120Hz refresh rate. It has 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution that can achieve a peak brightness of 450 nits. In my experience, watching on this tablet gave me an immersive experience with the vibrancy and details of the videos you watch online. As for the audio, the Realme Pad 2 produces excellent sound quality with its quad speakers. You don't need to worry about the device being too quiet. Combining the vibrant display with the loud speakers of the Pad 2 gives you an enjoyable viewing experience. The Realme Pad 2 runs on a MediaTek Helio G99 processor and has two RAM options, 6GB and 8GB of RAM. If you need more RAM, the Pad 2 can have an additional 8GB through dynamic RAM expansion, which is Realme's way of saying virtual RAM. Internal memory also has two choices, 128GB and 256GB, but the tablet can have up to 1TB of memory expansion. Our Pad 2 comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage. So far, in my initial testing, it can run Honkai Star Rail in high settings with some stutters here and there, but I still had a decent gaming experience. We ran the devices through our usual benchmarks, and here's what we got. The Realme Pad 2 has a 5-megapixel rear camera with 2.2 aperture, while its front shooter is an 8-megapixel AI camera. With decent lighting, the Realme Pad 2 takes okay photos. I'm not too impressed with the quality of the rear and the front cameras, as noise is evident in photos and videos taken on the tablet. For video calls, however, it barely passes for me. Here are some of our sample shots that we took with the Realme Pad 2 for you to find out.
So this is the Realme Pad 2's front camera.
The Pad 2 is operated by Realme UI 4.0 based on Android 13. If you're used to Realme, Oppo, or any Android device, you'll feel familiar with the layout and UI of the tablet. You get a bit of bloatware through Google Apps, the Realme Store, and Realme Community, but they aren't distracting. Of course, if you don't need them, you can simply uninstall them. The multi-screen collaboration allows you to control the tablet using your smartphone or sync content taken from your phone to the tablet. You also have other productivity features such as dual window, split screen, flexible windows, and a smart sidebar that can allow users to track their schedules and to-do lists. The Realme Pad 2 comes with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2. A SIM card can be added to the device as well. For battery, it's powered by an 8,360 mAh mega battery, with support for 33-watt Super VOOC charge and reverse charging. Though it takes roughly 2 hours to charge the device, the Pad 2 can last up to almost 3 days of casual use like viewing media, taking photos, and gaming. But here's what we got when we ran battery benchmark. Currently, the Realme Pad 2 starts at 13,999 pesos for the 6GB plus 108GB variant and 17,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB combo. It's a decent tablet for casual gaming, going through social media, or even as a note-taking tablet. Though it doesn't have fancy features like other tablets to open more than 3 windows, the Realme Pad 2 is still worth considering if you're on a budget. Just don't expect it to take photos or videos well, but I doubt you'd be after a tablet for its camera. And that wraps up this hands-on review of the Realme Pad 2. Would you add this tablet to your cart? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video and found it informative or enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm CJ, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye!